She was clothed in green and blue, wrapped in the morning tide. Mountains stand like ancient chiefs, with silent tears they hide. Her rivers knew our every name, every child and clan. Now footprints press on sacred soil, lines cut across the land. Navanua Segani Volitaki, the land is not for trade. Silver tongues and paper crowns leave our children afraid. We traded truth for shining gold, forgot the words our elders told. Nikua nigu ile kavana kalo. Oh Mother Viti, why you cry? I hear your voice in the midnight sky. We were lost, but grace found we. Now pride won't let us free. Oh, Mother Viti, call us home. Don't leave your children on their own. Teach us walk in wisdom's way, with Yahweh leading day by day. They came with promises smooth and sweet, fire burning in the cane. Brother turned against his own for title, wealth, and name. The beast we feared in ancient tales was never claw nor skin. It lives inside the pride of man when he crowns himself as king. Nadra salute to Tale, blood falls once again. Still the mountain seems to say, return before you lose your way. Isegani biutikeda, we are not forsaken. Enanumi kedatiko, we are not forgotten. If we humble hearts and stand, healing rise within the land. Navanua Nodabula, the land our life. Without her, who are we? Mother Viti, dry